Hi, so this is our final solution. It's called the maze game. And so go through the scripts first and then we'll go through the actual game itself. So the green flag here, so down here, is what we click to start the game. Pretty much. Well, it switches the backdrop, as you can see. So when the sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to water. And then see how here we've got show. So when the flag is clicked, you can see the button flag, I guess you could call it, and then it switches backdrop to start screen. Yeah, so that's what the green flag does. We'll go into Octopus, which is our character. So we have, oh, I don't know where the other one's gone. Let's zoom out here a bit. Can we zoom out? Oh. So you'll see this crazy script right here. So that's all to do with our seaweed. If you can see down here, we've got so many seaweeds, and you'll see why in a second. Basically, they're all the same script for each one, but I'll show you that in a second. So we've got down arrow, up arrow, right arrow, and left arrow must be somewhere. I just don't know where it is. Come along. There it is. So they've all got the same thing apart from pointing in a different direction. So when the flag is clicked, we want the octopus to hide because we don't want it on the start page. And then we're going to switch the costume to normal, and it's going to go to its certain position and point in the normal direction, so point right for 90. When the backdrop switches to water, it shows, and it says, "Help me find the treasure," for 3 seconds. And when it touches the treasure at the end, the cheering sound will play, and we'll say, "Yay, we found the treasure," for 3 seconds, and it's going to wait for 3 seconds, and it's going to hide, and the backdrop's going to switch to the very last backdrop, which is end, so the game is ended. So, back to the seaweed. So basically the seaweed is acting as our wall, and so every time our octopus touches the seaweed, it's going to play a pop sound, and our octopus is going to be reset to the start of the maze. So I did that for every single piece of seaweed that we used, which was quite a lot. So that was octopus. And so I'll show you the seaweed script. This is the same for every single piece of seaweed. Seaweed sprite. So when the green flag is clicked, every seaweed is hiding. Oh, this is the same as the octopus. When the backdrop switches to end, it hides. I don't know if I already said that. And when the backdrop switches to water, it shows. So it's just hiding and showing the seaweed because they're not moving. They're just the wall, basically. And then our very last sprite is the treasure. Oop, this needs to be cleaned up. So for the treasure, when the flag is clicked, hide like the other. When the backdrop switches to water, which is our game screen, it's going to show, and when the backdrop switches to end, it's going to hide. So it's pretty much like the seaweed. Now we'll go into our backdrops. So we've got our song playing in the start screen. It's called Dance Magic. And I think that is our only script for backdrops. And here are our backdrops. So here's our start screen. Here's the water screen, pretty boring. Sorry, that's just the flag sprite. And the end backdrop. So we'll go into the game now. So we go full screen and play. Make sure we've got the sound up. And so we're going to click on the flag to start. that's right. When you go, I don't know why, but when you go into the full screen, sometimes it won't show you the full message. So let's just try that again. Wait for the music. So, help me find the treasure. So, I'll just show you what happens when we bump into the seaweed. So, it played the pop sound and it went back to a starting position. So, when I try to go down here, I don't really know why, but they might touch the seaweed. So, we're going to try to go this way now. It's a bit tricky. Touch the seaweed. Let's not go that way this time. And up. And so yeah, we found the treasure. And the end. So that is our final solution and would be considered at standard, if not a little bit higher. Thanks for watching.